Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 5 top stories we are covering. Welcome to the channel. Before we begin today's update, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to receive notifications for all our future tech updates. Rocket Bell. Red Hat NPM packages compromised to spread a credential-stealing worm. More than 30 official Red Hat NPM packages were compromised with a credential-stealing worm called Miasma, which spread through GitHub Actions OIDC, indicating a CI/CD pipeline breach rather than stolen NPM tokens. Users who installed affected package versions since June 1, 2026, should immediately rotate all CI secrets, cloud credentials, SSH keys, and NPM tokens. Silk, open-source cooperative fiber scheduler. Silk is an open-source cooperative fiber scheduler for Linux featuring per CPU scheduler threads, IO_Uring integration, and topology-aware work stealing. The scheduler enables high concurrency with low overhead through lightweight stackful coroutines that suspend rather than block OS threads. Documentation covers scheduler design, synchronization primitives, utility libraries, performance benchmarks, and usage examples. What is Firecracker? A beginner's intro. Firecracker is a lightweight virtualization technology developed by AWS to provide secure, fast-booting micro-VMs for services like Lambda and Fargate. Built with approximately 50,000 lines of Rust, it addresses container isolation limitations by replacing traditional Linux container mechanisms with stronger security boundaries. Unlike Docker containers that rely on namespaces, groups, and seccomp for isolation, Firecracker uses full virtual machines with dedicated kernels to enhance security and performance. This approach solves the industry's long-standing issue of treating containers as secure boundaries when they were not originally designed for that purpose. Amazon plans to make SpaceX's Grok models available on its flagship AI service. Amazon Web Services is in talks to add SpaceX's Grok AI models to its Bedrock platform, expanding access to enterprise customers. The partnership would bolster AWS' position as a central hub for top AI models while providing SpaceX with a vast customer base ahead of its planned IPO. Bedrock already hosts models from Anthropic, Meta, Cohere, and OpenAI, and is among AWS' fastest-growing services. SpaceX has not commented on the potential deal. Microsoft allows BYLL for Amazon RDS. Repeat, Microsoft allows BYLL for Amazon RDS. Microsoft now allows customers to use existing SQL Server licenses on Amazon's Managed Relational Database Service, RDS, through its License Mobility program. This change eliminates the previous requirement for customers to pay for licensing twice when using AWS' fully managed database service. Amazon's Bring Your Own Media, BYOM, for RDS for SQL Server enables customers to apply their existing SQL Server Enterprise or Standard Edition licenses with no additional fees. The process requires submitting a license mobility verification form to Microsoft, uploading SQL Server media to Amazon S3, and selecting the appropriate version in the RDS console. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share your comments and feedbacks below. We love hearing from you. Thumbs up speech balloon. That's all for today's news. Stay informed, and I will see you in the next update.